Hi Silky lovers! We are here today to talk about the La Vie en Rose line. Shampoo, conditioner and mask that you can use final client at your place and hairdressers for you to have at your salon. The La Vie en Rose line is a premium line by CeraKe. It has a huge reconstruction power and it helps a lot when we are talking about reducing the frizz, eliminating the volume of the hair, and restoring the health of the hair. The shampoo and the conditioner, it comes in 250 ml and it's enriched with almond oil and myrrh oil. And the mask, we have 3 beautiful fruits from the Amazon forest, and they help a lot with the nourishment of the hair, treating this hair. The mask we have in 250 grams and 500 grams. The color, it's a beautiful rose color as for the shampoo and the conditioner. And this mask, it's a light mask. As you can see here, it's not an oily mask. It's a silky, it's a light mask with an amazing rose smell. So this is a beautiful mask for you, final client, to have at your place for a bleached color, a sensitive hair, or for the salon, for a hairdresser to have in their wash basin and use on these types of hair that they have in front of you. If you need more information, contact us, message, call us. It will be a pleasure explaining this line or any of our other lines. And if you don't follow us, please follow us, our social medias, Facebook, Instagram. All right? It will be a pleasure talking to you. Have a beautiful day. Bye-bye.